How to make hundreds of students' folders in just minutes. Example, you have 50 students in your list. It will be tedious to make folders for each of them. It will really take a long time to create 50 folders, even if you try to duplicate them. You still need to rename them one by one. So, here's what you got to do. Open your list in Excel. Then, type this formula. Equal quotation, empty space, quotation, ampersand. For quotation mark, ampersand, the sum number of your first name, ampersand. And for quotation marks. Now, copy the first cell formula by dragging the tiny corner square down to the last student. Copy the formula column. Go to your folder and make a new text document. Rename it however you want. Open and paste the column. Then, save as a .bat file. To do that, click All Files, then erase .txt and type .bat. Then click Save. Exit and click the .bat file that you just made. And you're done. You have hundreds of